Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Menaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800F024B that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer that show there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help. The error code 0x800F024B, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings, ang next step, dito lang sa options under nito, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, click lang natin yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step ay, under dito sa most frequent, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. And then dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. So, click lang natin yan. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic. Okay, so makikita mo dito na troubleshooting has completed, right? So in hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so close lang natin itong troubleshooters. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And then, so if you're having an issue, for example lang mga kaibigan, yung audio driver, ito siya, okay? So dito sa ating audio driver, so nagkaroon ito ng error system. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so, click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then, sinig ka lang dito sa kanyang drivers para i-update. Right? So, click lang natin tong speaker. So, click mo siya, right-click. And then, sinig mo lang dito yung update driver. And then, pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, sinig ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, select lang natin tong search automatically, and then tap lang natin yan, and then wait natin. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then after dito, so close lang natin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Ayan. So, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x800F024B in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.